his face now. Steve Eddie watching. Hello,
What?
Steve.
Hello, Steve.
He's watching, yeah.
Who is?
He's watching. Where's that? We're in. Where are we? We're in
Panera.
Panera.
In the Aeolian Islands,
Oh.
just off Sicily. Just off Sicily. We're going to see Stromboli later on. Hopefully, see the fireworks there from the volcano.
Maybe you should come to
Well,
I don't know. You're the first person we've talked to on live. But we can't hear you if you're talking to it. No, they'll be typing, won't it?
Yeah, we walked to the beach, but we decided to get the taxi back because it says 36 degrees here and blue skies.
And the beach one.
The beach wasn't great.
Wasn't it?
Oh, bit of reversing doing that.
Oh, we've got bread. Sorry, oh, is that better? Am I doing it wrong?
Oh, right, we'll be sideways just. Yeah.
Is that better, Brett? This is how I feel I should speak back. You can, but we can't hear you. Let me show you some of the views.
No. That wasn't it. It's a very pretty island, very much like Capri, but not quite as touristy. Very dramatic, all volcanic beaches, black beaches, very, very hot. Other than that, it's great, from Great Town.
Can you hear us? I don't know if you can hear us.
Show them that.
Oh, there we go. These seatbelts, don't we? Oh, sorry. I've just moved a bottle.
Little out now.
Well, it was empty.
Yeah. We are actually with the reincarnation of Anna Senna. And she's also female. She's done this a few times, she must have done, because the road is only, well, the path is only just wide enough for these taxis. And she's knocking out to 30 mile an hour. Which is fine, because we walked all this way to the beach, which wasn't great. So we decided, because of the heat and because of my age, that we'd get the taxi back.
€9. It's worth it.
We're going back to the boat now.
Steve's at work. Yeah, get back to work.
Who's at work?
Steve is. Get back to work. Steve Edge.
Steve Edge. I am. Whoa. I missed the Formula One on Sunday, but I'm reenacting it now, I think. She's going for pole position, I think.
And on the phone as well.
Yeah, off the phone. Get off the phone. It's the way to travel. There are some very tired travellers that we're overtaking at the moment. That cat, it was cool to kill that cat.
Oh, this is the city centre, isn't it? The city centre.
We actually get through there, don't people?
She knows what she's doing.
I know, yeah. How far's the A&E from here?
Oh, we've got Mal. Hello, Mal. How are you? Oh, there's that American couple, isn't it?
Which Mel? Mel Smith?
Mel Smith, yeah.
Hi Mel, bonjour now. Come ça va? No, come ça va.
No, it's
what is it?
what is it? Oh, we're here. Grazie, grazie. Hi Mel, we're on another adventure. No, we won't be here for ages, yeah.
Cappuccino?
Yeah.
I know it's after 11, but
I don't think it matters, does it?
dropped anything other than the bottle.
Right, we're off to Stromboli next. We can go on the island for a couple of hours, then we'll have a night trip where we'll see Stromboli exploding at night. We're in Panera. Is it Panera? Panera by Stromboli. So are you going to Sicily?
In the Ionian Islands.
What's that a cattle around us coming? See, I told you she would just come here, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you wanted a coffee. Okay. No, you can't. Is it because I've got a scarf on? Chris hasn't got his on. No, it's about 33 degrees. But we're going on the boat, so it's breezy, a bit cold. But I'm also trying to keep the sun off me. I don't want to come back black like I usually do.
I do, but I'm coming back red.
Red as a lobster. How long are you in Turkey for?
Turkey, gobble gobble.
Okay. Hello, Christine.
Hi. Buonasera.
Buonasera. No, he said it. What was it? Buonasera.
Come stai?
Come stai?
Feel naughty.
Christine, we're just in is it Panera? Panera, Sicily.
Think about gonorrhea. Panera.
Just so it's all we've covered.
Stromboli.
Oh, there's Stromboli.
Puffer.
Somewhere. Can you There we go. It's all we could fit in with some festival. Yeah, you like your festivals, don't you, Mel?
Where's shit download or something?
Probably, yeah. Anyway, we're going to go now, so I'm going to save my battery for Stromberley, and hopefully we'll, yeah, he hasn't changed. Yeah, and hopefully we'll, I'll see you later. Okay then, bye.
Bye, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, Bella.